Hello friends, today's recipe is an instant tomato dosa. For the recipe, in a blender take a piece of ginger, two tomatoes roughly chopped, four dried red chillies, grind to a fine paste. In another bowl, take 1/4 cup of wheat flour, half a cup of rice flour, half a cup of Rava or semolina, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, salt to taste, and the tomato paste. Mix well and keep adding water as required, since you need a very thin and runny batter. Heat a tawa or a skillet, grease it with oil. Pour the dosa batter as shown. Spread a little oil over the dosa and cook the dosa on high flame throughout. Your dosa is looking crisp and is brown. Take it off the tawa. The quick and easy tomato dosa is ready to eat with sambar or chutney. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, then please give it a big thumbs up. Also comment on and share this video among your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do so now and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and have a great day.